if you want to do a shout out, you have to go to your settings right here. And then you're going to have to go to channel. And then you're going to go to customize channel. It's going to show it like this. And so I'm going to remove this so you can, it'll be on the side like this. It won't say shout out, it'll say like add channel or something. You're going to click add channel. You're going to go to their channel, get their URL for the channel or the link, click add, and it'll show that. And then you're going to click done. And then it shows it right here. You can click that to get to their videos, and then you can click subscribe right there to go to get their videos.